Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So today in this video we'll talk about the One UI 9 update for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So most of you guys were confused about that. Will you get the One UI 9 update on the Galaxy S22 Ultra or not? So the Galaxy S22 Ultra was released in February 25th, 2022. That makes this Galaxy S22 Ultra 4 years old now. Also, Samsung promises 4 years of major software update. So according to that, the One UI 8 update was the last official update with the Android 16. Even the One UI 8.5 update was missing on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If we talk about the One UI 9 device list, so according to this tentative device list, the Galaxy S23 and above are included in the One UI 9 update. That means that the One UI 9 update will not be coming on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The One UI 9 update, which is to be released with the latest Z Fold and Z Flip series with the Android 17 update, will not be coming on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If we talk about the last major update on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, so that was of One UI 8 Android 16. You might get to see some monthly security patch updates on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but there will be no official major OS updates coming on the Galaxy S22 series. So the journey from Android 12 to Android 16, that is the One UI 8, is now coming to an end on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But no need to worry at all. If you have a Galaxy S22 Ultra, you can still enjoy the One UI 8 and the Android 16 features. There are many Galaxy AI features available for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. There are many security features and the Galaxy AI features still available with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And that's a wrap for today's video. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. And if you're using a Galaxy S22 Ultra, let me know that how is the battery life and which Galaxy AI feature you love the most on your Galaxy S22 Ultra. And if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.